down nicely, 200 feet, 4.5 down, 5.5 down.
Greetings, everyone. Thank you, as always, for tuning into the channel. You guys are much appreciated. We're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers. We're actually insanely far from that, but eventually we will get there. The channel is growing. Special thank you to everybody who joined in on the sneaker giveaway. I did just notify the winner, but I'll give you some exciting behind the scenes footage of how that all went down. Alright, so we have all the entries added into the wheel of names. I don't know if you guys can see that on my phone or not. There we go. Now we're just going to give this a spin, and whoever it lands on is the winner of the first sneaker giveaway. Wishing you all good luck on this spin, but if you don't win this time, we will be doing many more sneaker giveaways on this channel. Alright, and here we go. And let's see who it lands on. Okay. Ian or Ayan, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. By the time you see this, you will already know that you are the winner. I'll send you a DM, but this is just to put in the video later. Congratulations, Ayan. So today we're going to be talking about some new footwear that I've been really excited about. I missed out on collecting the OG colorway that released in 2020. OG! But we saw two follow-up colorways drop on March 26th. And today we're going to be talking about the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. So as always, I took a huge L on this sneaker or sandal or clog, and I had to resort to the secondary market to pick these up. So I picked these up off GOAT for just over $400. It sounds funny to even say that. And these, of course, released at $80 retail price, but the resale value on these is insane. And I wanted to pick these up to do a review before it was meaningless, so might as well spend that money. But anyways, let's talk about the features of the Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. So you guys probably know that I don't really care to talk about sneaker boxes much, but I think with the Yeezy Foam Runner, the box is a must. You have to talk about the box. You look at it from the outside, literally nothing is going on. There's no huge print that you're used to seeing from the Yeezy brand, but you do have just this SKU, and you have a price tag on there. I really wish the price tag wasn't on there saying 80, because it just automatically makes me think about the fact that I paid over 400 for this. Once you open the box up, right there on the lid, it does read foam. Right there in the middle, it reads RNNR, runner. And then at the bottom, you have your sizing tag. You have Yeezy Foam Runner made by Adidas. So all of that branding that is usually on the outside of Yeezy boxes is inverted to the inside of this box. So the base of the shoe is pretty wild. You have this two-tone marble effect going on. Majority of the base is this gray or pewter color. Then you have sort of this vanilla white color that's splattered on at certain parts of the shoe. And I'm 100% sure that every pair is going to be different. At first, I was pretty hesitant about picking this pair up, just because I was thinking, when and where am I actually going to wear these? Am I just picking these up to do a review? So I had to think about it for a couple of days before I actually made the jump to pick up the MXT Moon Gray. I love that they're taking what is already a controversial and crazy looking silhouette and making it even more crazy looking with this colorway. So this shoe is composed of sustainable EVA foam and algae based foam. While pressing into the shoe, it is soft and you can feel a little bit of give, but you can also feel the strength and durability in this foam. So you can tell that this shoe is going to last. You're going to be able to get a lot of miles out of this shoe. I guess a major detail on the Yeezy Foam Runner are these holes, these perforation holes all around the shoe. My eyes are automatically drawn to these holes, and I can't help but notice that right here towards the heel, you have these two ovals that are very reminiscent of the holes that are on the Yeezy 700. And of course, the original colorway for the 700 was called the Wave Runner, and this is called the Foam Runner. This is kind of like a 700 slip-on. Even if you turn the shoe over and look at the sole on the Foam Runners is very reminiscent of what you had on the Yeezy 700. On the inside of the shoe, you don't have your usual sizing tag attached to the sneaker. Instead, you have this sticker that states your size. If you want to keep that, you may just want to put that up into a secure place. On the side rim, you can see that it says Foam Runner, it says your size, and then it will say made in China for this model. The MXT Moon Gray was made in China, while the Ararat and the sand colorways were made here in the US. Another major thing with the inside of the Yeezy Foam Runner are these traction bumps on the insole that will help keep your foot in place, so that these aren't really just your average slip-on. These are kind of like a shoe that you can really wear to do anything because your foot will be secure inside. At the front, of course, you will notice this hump, kind of making it look like a dolphin or a whale. I don't know what animal I'm thinking of, but there is that hump at the front of the shoe. This doesn't really change the way that it fits. It's just a design thing. And I think it's a cool, unique facet of the design to have that hump at the front. Really makes it look very futuristic. In terms of sizing for the Yeezy Foam Runner, I know that this can be very confusing. When the Ararat dropped in 2020, it was only in full sizes. So if you wore a 10.5 or 11.5 in Yeezys, you wouldn't be able to get your perfect fit in that model. This appears to be the same with the MXT Moon Gray colorway and the Sand colorway that released on March 26th. Although looking at GOAT, they do have listings for half sizes, so that is very confusing. But as far as I've been told, it is only in full sizes. I usually wear an 11.5 in all Yeezys, and being that I was told that this only goes for full sizes, I didn't want to size down and go to an 11 because I knew that would be a very, very tight fit. So I went up to a 12, and honestly, there's not much of a difference from the fit that I usually have going 11.5. All right. We have talked at length about the Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. Now, let's put this on foot and see what they look like. Alright, as you guys can probably tell, I am a huge fan of the Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. I think this is definitely a cop. Not the greatest new shoe smell, but I think everything else on this shoe is great. And it's such a versatile shoe. I feel like you can really do anything in these. And everyone says that they're extremely easy to clean. You can probably just hose them down. So let me know what you guys think of the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. I should have a video of the Foam Runner in the sand colorway coming soon. Hopefully GOAT sends that to me at some point in my life. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Once again, thank you to all the new subscribers and everyone that participated in the sneaker giveaway. If this is your first time coming across this channel, remember to subscribe, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment your favorite Kanye quote. Appreciate you guys on the push to 1,000. Thanks again. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.